Hi, I'm Brenda and this is Sublimation with Ceramicraft. If you truly want to succeed in sublimation, then what you need to do is subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking on the subscribe button below. We'll keep you up to date with everything that there is going on in sublimation, new products and new techniques. Let's see what's next. I am super excited today to show you the new multifunction 3D vacuum press. It's a miniature version of the larger 3D press that you may have seen. It's all self-contained and has a range of different attachments. The one I'm going to demonstrate today is the flat press. When you first receive your press, this part of the flat press will actually be upside down as the bottom heating element inside the chamber. You pull that out, it has a rather long cord, pop it into the heating pad and set the time and temperature. To turn it on, press start. It has two lights here on either side that will show the upper and lower heating element. This is the lower, it's the only one we're using today. When you go to set the time and temperature, there is a range of presets. We need to go to T-shirt 2 or T-shirt B, I think it is in the program. So go to setup, then there is a plus and minus button here. Now that will scroll through the different settings. For the flat press and pressing onto polyester fabric, we need 180 degrees for 60 seconds, and as you can hear, I've already preheated the machine. Just to stop it beeping, press the start button and it won't drive you nuts. When testing different equipment, whether it's ink, paper or a new press, I always go to a fabric store and purchase just some 100% polyester fabric, which really keeps down your costs when you're trying new blanks. I've already pre-cut a piece of fabric. I'm going to put that on my mat, but what I do like to do is use a little bit of plain paper just to protect the mat in case any sublimation ink goes through onto it. So there is my fabric. Then I'm going to get a transfer. I have used SplashJet sublimation ink on this one here and Permasub paper, prints like a dream. So you'll see how good the colours come out. Pop that on, pop that over the top and place the iron onto the transfer. Press the button. That will start the timer counting down. When it gets to 60 seconds, previous testing of this machine has indicated that I need to press the button again and do it for another 60 seconds. Alternatively, if you only want to do a 60-second press, apply some extra pressure if you've got the time. Stand there and hold it down, but be very careful not to move the press because that's when you're going to get a little bit of movement of your transfer and you're going to get shadowing. Okay, our second 60 seconds is up, so 2 minutes in total. Remove your iron, pop it back onto the pad, remove your Teflon sheet, and there we have a lovely print, nice and bright, of the SplashJet ink, Ceramicraft logo, some random colours up the top there. Here we go on the white background. And then I'm also going to compare it to the printed version. So the colour is really good, and when you're printing with SplashJet, you're going to get quite indicative colours. A lot of inks don't give you genuine colour. This works out pretty close to how it's going to be once it's pressed.